Naga Jingran ba Thomas Pasa, Working President Gakon New Tribe National Awakening Movement, Bagabha Scheduled Tribe, Meghalaya, Kadaiban Long Tek, Tangi Jaibendu Khasi-Jaiñtia but Garo, Meghalaya Indigenous Minority Scheduled Tribe Forum, MIMSTF, Akalaitrek Nailo Rajapsan, Klapatu Klaro Chief Secretary, but State Vigilance Commissioner Gajala, Uba DP Walang. Ka forum ka Pynrem ka Pynrem jor but nyaw gum ka Jingle Banwanra, Yakaching Sumo Pair but Jing Iben Persha Ikiwe Pat Scheduled Tribe, play Ithuh Meghalaya, kum Kyrwoh, Hajong, Koch, Boro, Man bat Kikarbi. Habakadaw siya kaching perungkam kerpang kispay BSF Meghalaya, ka forum ka ong bariban kenmau, ba Constitution, in bracket Scheduled Tribes, Order 1950, the Constitution, in bracket Scheduled Tribes, in bracket Union Territories, Order 1951, as amended by the Scheduled Caste and Tribeless Modification Order 1956, but Kiwei Kiak, La Aji Ithuh, Ban Kantop, Girabha, Hajong, Koch, Boro, Man Bat Karbi, Hakatup Scheduled Tribes, Nalokini Gilai Jaj Benreo Rulum, Bahepaj, Hagajala.
We are the representative of the Meghalaya Indigenous Minority Scheduled Tribe Forum. Today we are comprised of the 6 minority scheduled tribes. That's the Hajong, Koch, Rabha, Garo, Man, Karbi. 6 minority tribes. Now we met the Chief Secretary regarding on 22nd August through print media we came to know that one political party called KHNAM, scheduled tribe, recognized as ST, listed as Meghalaya since 1950. And they have requested also to not to allow the other scheduled tribe community to participate in the especially recruitment conducted by the BSF. That is why today we made the Chief Secretary an appeal that this kind of statement should not be that entertained. Here should the status quo be maintained, Chief Secretary. See, if you talk about the Meghalaya, then especially there is a Meghalaya job reservation policy where 40% is for the Khasi-Jaiñtia, 40% for the Garos, and 5% for the other scheduled tribe community, and 15% for the unreserved. Since this is a central recruitment process that is conducted by the BSF, there is no mention of the OST category. Only the ST will be allowed to participate in that special recruitment rally. 6 minority communities. No, we'll participate definitely.
Okay.
Since the rally is scheduled to be held this month only.
Okay.
From today.
From today, yes.
Evolution also we have raised that question because most of our candidates result doesn't come, and question is arise when they apply for Atiar, they come to know that their marks are not evaluated properly because they are didn't mention OST category. Earlier in that advertise there is no mention of OST
in the application.
In the application. Means the OMRC they have given in advertisement. There was no mention for OST, but in that exam OMRC they have put it OST, but due to their ignorance, our candidate ignorance, they didn't put OST, so their marks are not evaluated properly.
The papers
so
have been evaluated.
Yeah, regarding that matter also, we have also our secretary, and he assured us to make that correction.
Habatin, page bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pet ya kashap plus F hakajing som. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bat akabathau bha kam kta ikadur jingki marbam kajing mat lani ka rukam shed yaki. Balehi panai kita. Kadon ka we kajing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition bakam bha kajing im bakam bha pendon kam daki marba medon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.